What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on QNT. So I want to go over a couple indicators really quickly. The DXY right now, it does look like it's starting to swing up. And I've been looking at the day. I said this in the previous video. It looks like it's beginning to swing up. Total crypto market cap, I didn't see us push above $1.2 trillion. Ultimately, we need to test $1.284 trillion. Until we reach that point, um, I can't really confirm how much bullish momentum we have. However, what I see in the charts is I do see more downside. I'm curious to see how things play out when RSI hits neutral and how long we hold there, right? If we manage to hold there, then we have the potential to push up. Outside of that, I still see this downtrend potentially at play. Back to QNT. So for QNT, there is plenty of room for us to move up on the day, and on the 4 hour, we're kind of slowly moving up. So if you are bullish from this point, be sure to pay attention to those indicators that I mentioned, because QNT, because it's an altcoin, it may be subject to some of the volatility that BTC and Ethereum and the rest of the market kind of occur that happen to it. Let me phrase that. QNT is susceptible to the volatility that really happens within the market, and that's primarily because of the drivers such as BTC and Ethereum, right? So you won't see those strong pushes. You may see those strong pushes up, but the likelihood of it is, it's not right now. There's a lot of uncertainty right now. That's why we're kind of chopping around and barely making any moves. So like, here's an example. On April 23rd, we hit 116 and then we dropped all the way down to 108. Then we pushed back up and then we tagged 116 again. Then we dropped back down to 106. And then now we're hanging out at 113. So those are kind of sharp drops, at least within a day's price range, right? So I'm curious on this candle right here. Yeah, like a 7% drop within, or not even, because if you take it from here, 8% drop. So that's what I mean by being subject to what else is happening with the rest of the market. So in any case, with that being said, if you are bullish from this point, pay attention to 114.72, 115.86, 117.51. That would be the next high we need to push through. I'm going to call the next target from there because the potential to go up to the overbought state would be up to, I believe, somewhere between 122 and 119. Um, I believe, let me see, I gauge this a little bit. I'll stick to that. 119 would be the main target to really pay attention to if you're bullish. Now, if you're bearish, support is at 112.95, so we're pretty much at support. From there, 108, 103, 102, and 100. These are the targets that I have at play for the bearish side. I did originally mark these potentially, but I'm going to hold off on these for now. It really depends on how far we go down on the total crypto market cap. Because if the total crypto market cap, like if we just lose, you know, like we go from 1.6 to 105 trillion dollars, I think that would push QNT somewhere down here if it follows the rest of the market, right? And people start selling off. That's why I have these targets marked out. But for now, let's pay attention to the 103 to 100 range, at least for the day. So we'll see what I see on the day. As I mentioned, it does look like it's starting to go up. At least this is so far. This is one of the charts, but because of the trend of the rest of the market, I'm leaning that it may push down before it goes up. There may be one more push down before it has that jet up. That's really all I got. Sorry for the long video. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.